All right, let's get into strawberry shortcake. That one's root chakra frequency cloaked in scent and sugar. She was never just baking pies. She was working with earth-based energy, vibration through food, and color-coded memory triggers. Her world was the kitchen. Her weapon was the scent. Her realm was the land. You know what that makes her? She's a grid witch. She's a frequency farmer. She's a culinary alchemist. Every single character around her was coated with food and flavor. But what they were really teaching was vibrational connection to Earth's bounty. Berries, spices, cakes, cream. These weren't just snacks. These were avatars of the natural world. Strawberry shortcake was a guardian of the natural realm. Her entire job was maintaining balance through sensory codes, through touch, through smell, through joy. She embodied the frequency of nourishment. She wasn't just cooking. She was transmitting comfort, security, safety, belonging, everything they try to rip out of the root chakra through trauma. She brought back in the form of a slice of pie and a warm voice. Her enemies, usually some type of industrial character, plastic coated, artificial. They always try to steal ingredients, corrupt recipes, sabotage her creations. That's symbolic for the war between natural intelligence and synthetic invasion. And what always saves the day is flavor, is care, is love cooked into food. She never fought, she baked, she nourished, she healed. Every episode was a lesson in frequency transmission. Turn stress into sweetness, turn shadow into sugar, turn chaos into creation. They painted her as a soft girl in an apron, but she was practicing old earth magic, womb wisdom, herbalist knowledge, color therapy, community leadership, all through the kitchen, all through the plate. And let's talk about the world around her. Strawberry Land? Not a random name. This was coded realm representing Earth before they poisoned it. A world where scent mattered, where everything was vibrant, where healing didn't come from a pill. It came from connection and care. Strawberry shortcake carried the divine feminine archetype of the nurturer. Not submissive, not domestic, but wildly powerful and able to shift entire emotional landscapes through a cupcake. If you were drawn to her as a kid, that means your coding came through the kitchen, through warmth, through joy, through flavor. That means your magic is rooted in embodiment. She didn't need to yell. She didn't need to fight. She didn't need to cast spells with wands because she was the spell. Every time she stirred a bowl, every time she created something from scratch, she was restoring balance. And now they want you to forget. They want you disconnected from your land, from your senses, from the act of creation. But you remember because she taught you. You were never just a kid watching dessert shows. You were being initiated to energy work through food. And if you're still here, still creating, still feeling, still cooking, you are that magic now. I'm a chef. I didn't become a chef. Chef was career change for me. Actually, my first awakening was in 2009. I started culinary school in July of 2009 after seeing signs. I followed my signs for it. So now I'm a chef. I'm also a Reiki healer, violet flame carrier. I always bless the kitchen before I start cooking, and Reiki bless it. That energy comes through my hands. What do? I cook. I stir. All that positive energy and love goes into what I am cooking. So that's why it's be mindful of the hand that feeds you. I put love and positive energy into everything that I do. Kitchen Alchemy 101 right there, 4:20 on the clock. I can't make this up. So I know who's walking with me today. Let's go. Let's get these messages out there. Let's activate the collective. If you're watching, no bot behavior, double tap, give me a like, give me a follow, share it, repost it, come back for another drop. And if you're new here, go back to my feed. There's a lot of gold there. There's a lot of codes. So you're definitely going to get activated through watching anything. Go there and see what calls your attention, because whatever calls your attention and lights up to you, that's spirit sending you a message. The more you know, come back for more.